Have you ever seen monkey loves banana? Monkeys are known to have a liking for bananas, and this is because bananas are sweet and easy to eat. In the wild, most monkeys have a diet that is mainly comprised of fruits, and they are thus naturally predisposed to like fruits. Bananas have been used for thousands of years to treat a variety of medical conditions. For example, bananas can be used as an anti-diarrheal and antispasmodic, a diuretic, and laxative. However, it is important to note that not all monkeys like bananas. Some monkeys might prefer other fruits or even insects. The reason why monkeys like bananas is not fully understood. Some researchers believe that the high sugar content in bananas is what makes them so appealing to monkeys. Others suggest that the soft textures of bananas make them easy for monkeys to eat. Regardless of the reason, it is clear that monkeys have a strong affinity for bananas and will go to great lengths to obtain them. In conclusion, while not all monkeys like bananas, many do. The sweet taste and soft texture of bananas make them an ideal food for monkeys in the wild. Additionally, the many health benefits associated with bananas make them an excellent choice for humans as well. Ever you seen monkeys eat banana?
No.